The OPPO Reno 13F is a mid-range smartphone that offers a blend of performance, camera capabilities, and battery life. Here are its key specifications. Display: 6.67-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels FHD plus 120 Hz refresh rate for smooth scrolling and responsiveness. Performance powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 processor built on a 4nm process, featuring an octa-core CPU, 2 x 2.2 GHz Cortex-A78 and 6 x 1.8 GHz Cortex-A55, and Adreno 710 GPU, available in configurations of 8 GB or 12 GB RAM. Internal storage options include 256 GB and 512 GB, utilizing UFS 2.2 technology for faster data access. Rear cameras, triple lens setup comprising a 50-megapixel main sensor, f1.8, phase detection autofocus, optical image stabilization, an 8-megapixel